Hello, dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. So, today we are going to read our next chapter, that is our states and union territories, chapter number 10. In this chapter, we divided our states and union territories in 6 regions, that is, the northern states, the western states, the southern states, the central states, the eastern states, and the northeastern states. And we will discuss about their languages, food, festival, dance, dress, and historical buildings. Okay, so come to the chapter. India is the seventh largest country in the world. Please do the correction in your book. Now we have 28 states and 8 union territories. Alright. So let us learn a bit about the states and union territories and their people. First is the northern states. Jammu and Kashmir. Class, now we are not going to include this in states. Okay, because Jammu and Kashmir has been divided into two union territories, that is Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, with effect from 31st October 2019. Alright, so we are going to start with Punjab. Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and Uttarakhand are states in the northern part of India. The union territories of Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Chandigarh, and Delhi also lie in this region. Delhi is called the National Capital Territory of Delhi. That means NCT of Delhi. The main languages used in the northern states are Hindi, Urdu, and Punjabi. The clothes worn vary depending on the climate and the region. Among traditional clothes, women usually wear the sari and salwar kameez, and men wear the kurta with pajama or dhoti. Both men and women in Kashmir wear a loose woolen garment called the firan. Wheat is the main crop, so people eat many kinds of bread such as roti, parantha, and naan. Tandoori food from Punjab, kebabs and biryani from Uttar Pradesh, and North Indian sweets such as peda, petha, kulfi, and gulab jamun are loved in many parts of India. Holi, Diwali, Dashera, Guru Purab, and Eid ul Fitr are some important festivals of North India. Baisakhi is a harvest festival of Punjab. Kathak is a well known dance from northern India. The Bhangra of Punjab is very popular. Northern India has many beautiful buildings. Among these are the Taj Mahal in Agra and the Red Fort and the Qutub Minar in Delhi. Now we have state union territories and their capitals. Okay. Haryana, capital is Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, capital is Shimla. Punjab, capital is Chandigarh. Uttar Pradesh, capital is Lucknow. Uttarakhand, capital is Dehradun. Now union territories: Chandigarh, capital is Chandigarh. Delhi, capital is New Delhi. Jammu and Kashmir, capital is Srinagar in summer and Jammu in winter. And Ladakh, capital is Leh. Now, second region is the western states. Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Goa are states in the western part of India. Okay. Again, here is a correction in second line that since 26 January 2020, the Union Territories Daman and Diu and Dadar and Nagar Haveli have become a single union territory and its capital is Daman. Okay. People in Western India speak mainly Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, and Konkani. The traditional clothes differ from state to state. Many Gujarati and Rajasthani women wear the ghagra choli, and men wear a dhoti or pajama with different kinds of kurtas. The style of wearing the sari is different in different states. The people living near the sea eat a lot of fish. Gujarat is famous for its vegetarian snacks such as dhokla and khakra. Pav Bhaji is a much loved dish from Maharashtra. A dish called Dal Bati is popular in Rajasthan. Ganesh Chaturthi, Dashera, Diwali, Eid ul Fitr, and Christmas are a few festivals that are widely celebrated in Western India. Teej and Gangaur are celebrated mainly in Rajasthan. The Garba and Dandiya of Gujarat and the Ghumar of Rajasthan are some popular dances of Western India. The forts and palaces of Rajasthan and Maharashtra, the Gateway of India in Mumbai, and the churches of Goa are some of the beautiful buildings of Western India. Now, states, union territories, and their capital. Okay, Goa, capital is Panaji. Second is Gujarat, capital is Gandhinagar. Maharashtra, capital is Mumbai. Rajasthan, capital is Jaipur. And Union Territory, Daman and Diu and Dadar and Nagar Haveli, capital is Daman. Okay. Now next region is the southern states. The southern part of India has the states of Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana. The union territories in these regions are Puducherry, Lakshadweep, and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, and Urdu are spoken in southern India. Women generally wear the sari, and men usually wear a shirt with a mundu or veshti. Okay. Rice grows well in South India, so the region has many dishes that use rice, like dosa and idli. Coconut, which also grows in plenty, is added to many dishes. Fish dishes are common in the coastal areas. South India has many harvest festivals like Onam of Kerala and Pongal of Tamil Nadu. South Indian dances included the Bharatnatyam of Tamil Nadu, Kuchipudi of Andhra Pradesh, Kathakali and Mohini Attam of Kerala. South India is known for its beautiful temples like the ones at Hampi, Madurai, and Thanjavur. Now, states, union territories, and capital of southern states. Andhra Pradesh, capital is Hyderabad, and Karnataka, capital is Bengaluru. Kerala, capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Tamil Nadu, capital is Chennai. Telangana, capital is Hyderabad. Now, union territories: Puducherry, capital is Puducherry. Lakshadweep, capital is Kavaratti. And Andaman and Nicobar Island, capital is Port Blair. Okay. Now, the central states. Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh are states in the central part of India. Many of the people of these states are tribals. Most people speak Hindi, but Marathi, Odia, Telugu, and tribal languages are also spoken. The traditional dress is the sari for women and the dhoti kurta or kurta pajama for men. Both rice and wheat are common, and much of the food of this region is similar to that of the neighboring areas to the north and the east. Navratri, Dashera, Diwali, and Eid ul Fitr are some important festivals. Among the famous buildings of this region are the Great Stupa at Sanchi, the temples at Khajuraho, and the Gwalior Fort. State capital: Madhya Pradesh, capital is Bhopal. Chhattisgarh, capital is Raipur. Class: a tribe is a group of people with similar values or interest and a common leader, which we already discussed in chapter number 5. Remember, plain Indians? So, come to the next topic, the eastern states. The states of Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, and Odisha are in the eastern part of India. Hindi, Bengali, Odia, and Urdu are the main languages used in these states. The traditional dress is the sari and dhoti kurta. The people of this region are mainly rice eaters. Fish is loved in West Bengal and Odisha. This area is also famous for many kinds of sweets such as rasgulla and sandesh. Tea is a much loved drink. Darjeeling in West Bengal grows some of India's best tea. Durga Puja, Diwali, Rath Yatra, Eid ul Fitr, Chhat, and Christmas are important festivals in this part of India. Odissi and Chow are dances from this region. The Victoria Memorial in Kolkata, the temples at Konark, Puri, and Bhubaneswar in Odisha, and the Mahabodhi temple at Bodh Gaya in Bihar are some well known buildings. Now, state capitals: Bihar, capital is Patna. Jharkhand, capital is Ranchi. Odisha, capital is Bhubaneswar. West Bengal, capital is Kolkata. Now, last region, the northeastern states. Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Tripura, and Sikkim are the states that make up northeastern India. Bengali, Assamese, and Nepali are some languages used in this region. This region is home to many tribes like the Khasi, the Naga, and the Mizo. They have their own languages and traditional clothes. In Assam, women wear the Mekhla Chador. In Sikkim, both men and women wear a long dress called the Bhaku. The people of the northeast generally eat rice. Momos and non vegetarian dishes are also popular. Dishes cooked with bamboo shoot are a specialty. There are many tribal festivals in this region and many people celebrate Christmas. In Assam, the Bihu festival is held 3 times a year. Among the dances are Bihu, the Sataria from Assam, Manipuri and Thangta from Manipur, and Chirao from Mizoram. Okay, now state and capital. Arunachal Pradesh, capital is Itanagar. Assam, capital is Dispur. Manipur, capital is Imphal. Meghalaya, capital is Shillong. Mizoram, capital is Aizawl. Nagaland, capital is Kohima. Sikkim, capital is Gangtok. Tripura, capital is Agartala. This is all about your states and union territories. So, we have 28 states and 8 union territories. So, please read the chapter. Thank you.